How to fix Instagram add to story problems on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on Android or iOS phone. First, if you have an iPhone or Android, just go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here, and if you found it, just click update and then restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now just go to your gallery and delete some photos and videos and clean some space. If that also doesn't fix it, now turn off your Wi-Fi and restart your phone, open Instagram and turn it on again. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.